Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Stories that Transform Career. And the whole purpose of these stories, these talks, so is to give you all hope in case you are struggling to get into a career. That career may be any career, and definitely I'm from core IT background. I'm helping those graduates, but that doesn't mean everybody is going to come for IT. There are different domains out there, and today we are having our special guest. And which industry? It's a little bit different, and that industry is pharmaceutical industry. And today's guest, as you all can see, is scrolling below that. She is TEDx speaker, bestseller author, and on top of it, she is the founder of Blue Ocean Compliance. So, welcome to Dr. Rupali. Welcome, Dr. Rupali, to this talk. So, and just from your end, a little bit about you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Upendra Roy, that you have given me opportunity to inspire those students and people who are struggling in their career to reach to a certain level. And I really thank you for inviting me on this talk show.
Yeah. So, Dr. Rupali, a little bit about you, about though I just gave very little. So, what exactly you do? What exactly your expertise? What your company does? Little bit about that, and then we will proceed.
Yeah. I'm Dr. Rupali Paranspe, and I have total 22 years of the experience working in pharmaceutical industry. And currently, I'm founder of Blue Ocean Compliance Company, and my company helps pharmaceutical industries to reduce the cost due to non-compliances. Actually, we work on the mindset of the people, and I help companies to qualify the regulatory inspections towards no observation. And as I written in my book Blue Ocean of Compliance, our thought process is that instead of survival, we have to think to win. And means instead of only making the goal of qualifying the regulatory inspection, we should make the goal that how we can qualify the regulatory inspection with no observation. So I inspire pharmaceutical professionals and pharmaceutical industries to reach the highest level of compliance, and instead of survival we have to work to win.
Wow, that's really great. So now we are coming to the main point or the main message through talk. So we used to give to the graduates, professionals who are about to hit their first job or first career goal, and that is just maybe starting as an employee or maybe starting any small or big maybe entrepreneur process. Now we would like to know, when you means you are about to finish your graduation and getting into your very first job. So that journey, if you can say, was it easily you passed out, got your first job, first started your career? So that part we'd like to discuss, and this is just for our audience.
Yeah, actually, means like every student, I had a lot of dreams in my eyes. Actually, I wanted to get into the IIT, so that also I could not get, and wanted to become the IS officer. That also I could not get because I was not having proper guidance, and that and after completing my MSc, means for qualifying the IAS, I also did MA in Hindi literature. And means my journey was, means I was searching that what is my the goal in life. And after that MSc, I was taking the tuition classes of BSc and school students. and after that I was looking for the job, and where I was born and brought up, there was not so many pharmaceutical industries. So for because I from my childhood I used to take participate in all these extracurricular activities, and I was means I was very fond of participating on the stage, giving the speech, extempo, and all the things, means public speaking. So I was looking for the job, and I got the job for working as a news reader and anchor. So for approximately 1.5 year, I worked as a news reader anchor in one city cable, means on channel. After that, I was married and I came into Gujarat, Baroda. And my first job was in a public testing laboratory, and I was given the interview. And in that means in that job, I was doing testing. I was doing the task of testing the samples and all, means public testing lab. It was there. So I was supposed to use to work very hard in that, and in that in those days I remember that even I was not having the two-wheeler also to go to job. So in the morning I used to cook the food in house, and after that used to travel in public transportation and reach the office. And I was using these small things. I was given the small and initial task. So I was thinking ki, I should be given the bigger task and some important. Then this I was struggling between, emotionally struggling कि मुझे और भी important काम चाहिए, means I want to operate that instruments, means in public testing laboratory there are many instruments. So मैं सोचती थी मुझे ये भी ऑपरेट करना है, वो भी ऑपरेट करना है. तो मीन्स लिटिल बिट मिक्स फीलिंग वाज देयर कि मेहनत करना था, और पीपल वांटेड टू टीच मी फ्रॉम इनिशियल. सो दैट स्ट्रगल वाज देयर.
तो यहाँ पे डॉक्टर रूपाली जस्ट यू शेयर्ड विथ अस सेइंग दैट मेरे को आईएएस ऑफिसर बनना था, इसके बाद मेरे को न्यूज रीडर मींस पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का ये था, इसके अलावा मेरे को आईआईटी. सो normally we all used to have these kind of mix kind of means इंस्पिरेशन. ओके आई हैव टू डू दिस थिंग. तो उस समय ये जो सिचुएशन गया, अभी भी बहुत सारे जो ग्रेजुएट्स जो बच्चे हैं अभी जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी वन ऑफ देम आर juggling from A to B to C, back to B, A, and these kind of thing. Same thing
या
you just passed. What exactly the situation, मतलब कैसे ये तीन में से एक चूज किया और आगे बढ़ा, तो उसमें क्या, what was the mind set on that time कि नहीं ठीक है ये नहीं हुआ, मेरे को यही करना है. So that situation अगर आप थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करें कि कैसे आपने उन सब से छोड़कर एमएससी या जो भी आपने पीएचडी की, तो उसका जर्नी कैसे आपने पिक किया, और इस तरह का जो सिचुएशन जो बच्चे अभी फेस कर रहे हैं उनके लिए क्या मैसेज है, क्योंकि आपने तो गलतियां भी की सही भी, तो क्या करना चाहिए था आपके सजेशन, आपके एज पर यू योर थॉट योर सजेशन फॉर देम हु आर स्ट्रगलिंग इन दिस सिचुएशन. वंस अपॉन अ टाइम यू हैड दैट सिचुएशन.
Yeah, one more part is there that means I was also from inside. If you will see my personality, that I'm also very creative and emotional type of person. So I also used to write poems also, and I published my book Blue Pari Hu Main, that book also. So I was very confused that what career I should select. Means I was not having any clarity. I was very confused. So even after working in pharmaceutical industry, I was looking for the things that which really mean for me, or जो करने से I will get the real type of happiness. This I was not clear. So in fact, even working for 22 years in pharmaceutical industry, I was, because I worked in all the departments in QC, in regulatory affairs, in R&D, ADL, and also I was still not clear that which area I should make my career. Means even after working in 22 years, I was still struggling, was not having the clarity. So I make my decision based on that, that which is the area, if I'm expert in two, three things, but which is the area in which I can serve more to the society. Means that was my priority. So I wanted to do more value addition in society, in life of people. So based on that, I chosen the area of compliance, because compliance is the area where we do something for the patient, and everyone in the world some of the other time becomes sick. So how I can do something to the society, that if I can medicine, quality of the medicine is very important, because if whenever we take the medicine, we don't think that whether it is of good quality or not. So we blindly trust every medicine. So if I will work in that area, so means by default I will be doing something for the society, and it is my career also, and that quality I was developed in 22 years. So based on that, I chosen the career of compliance. Even in pharma industry also, there was regulatory affairs, there was quality control, quality assurance. So from all these areas I chosen compliance, because I can do more and more value addition to the society. And that for that I am passionate, कि I will not have to go somewhere कि मैं I should do some social work. I'm already serving the society with this my profession. So that thought given me the crystal clear clarity कि मुझे यही करना है. And one more message I would like to give to all the viewers and all the students who want to make their career, that don't run behind the money कि किसमें ज़्यादा पैसा मिलेगा. मीन्स एवरी वन ऑफ अस थिंक दैट जिसमें ज्यादा पैसे मिलेगा, कैसे मिलेगा, हम वो ही करेंगे, बिकॉज दैट एक्स वाई जेड पर्सन इज अर्निंग सो मच अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन दैट करियर, सो आई शुड ऑल्सो मेक दैट करियर. दैट इज रॉन्ग थॉट प्रोसेस. You will have to find your passion, that which thing makes you more passionate. Even no one will give you money, then also you will love to work for that purpose, because life is full of struggles. Means when we overcome that struggle, when we become expert, तो वो चीज स्मूथ हो जाती है. लेकिन जब हम स्ट्रगल करते हैं, तो इफ यू आर डूइंग द थिंग विच यू रियली लव, तो you will not give up. So we should not give up, and we should take that area to work our lifetime, for which we are passionate about it.
Okay, good. So, यहाँ पे just I would like to know a little bit. Suppose graduates, they are looking for their career, right? Maybe they are 1 year back pass out, or they are pursuing right now. Okay, and they are exactly in the same situation. What you said, ना? मेरे को पोएम भी लिखना, मीन्स पोएट भी बनना है, मेरे को आईआईटी भी करना है, मेरे को आईएएस ऑफिसर भी बनना है, मेरे को डॉक्टर. सो आज 22 साल 20 साल से ऊपर का एक्सपीरियंस है डॉक्टर रूपाली आपका. सो व्हाट सजेशन यू विल गिव टू देम हु आर इन दिस सिचुएशन? इफ मे बी 2 to 3 points if you can make, okay, they should be thinking this and starting their career as per your
Um,
whatever experience you have. So message to those graduates.
yeah, actually, doing many things at a time will not make you expert. So you should select first you have to select the areas about which you are passionate about it, and you have to go in depth in that area to get the expertise. So when you become the expert, then you can think that yes, you can do the best in that area. So first of all, you should find the area in which you are passionate about it. And another thing, that you keep on increasing your expertise in that particular area. You think that to reach that goal, what qualities you are required, and you should keep on working to enhance those qualities, to polish those skills. So life is a journey, means all time we all are learning. So हमको हमेशा काम करते रहना चाहिए कि हाउ वी कैन पॉलिश अवर एक्सपर्टाइज. एंड you should keep on continuously learning and learning and learning.
Good. So the bottom line, what the conclusion for last whatever 8-10 minutes we discussed about different things. So if you are about to start your career or in the verge of just finishing your graduation, ultimately you have to find a passion. And as per Dr. Rupali, passion means बिना पैसे मिले भी अगर काम करने में मन लग रहा है और you are enjoying it, okay, that is one way you can think it's my passion. Okay, so usme karo and continuous learning. There is no shortcut of it. Okay, now maybe it's a repeated question, डॉक्टर रूपाली की आपने ये 5 ऑप्शन 6 ऑप्शन जो शुरू में था और उसके बाद आपने सडनली एक चूज किया इसमें से, or now you are into that and you are enjoying it, you are giving back to society, you are contributing to our society for growth. What was the situation when out of this four you choose one? So what was the mindset? And many of them are struggling with that only. So what challenge you faced while leaving all and just choosing one? If you can recall your own situation, the raw genuine situation, and you share with us.
Yeah, means not having clarity is very painful situation actually. That whether I should do this thing or whether I should do that thing, and in which area I should collect, means I should develop my expertise. Means if you will see my profile, I have done the postgraduate diploma in intellectual properties also, in regulatory affairs also, and I have done PhD in pharmaceutical analysis also, and in MBA in project management also. So my whole energy was so scattered. So when I chosen the area that yes, I have to work in the compliance, so my there is clarity in my mind, and clarity is the power, because whenever we get the clarity, then we can hit the goal. सो इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग कि मैं ये सिलेक्ट करूँ एरिया या वो सिलेक्ट करूँ, तो मीन्स देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ केओस इन आवर माइंड, और हमारी जो एनर्जी है वो प्रोडक्टिव नहीं होती है. वी आर इन कंफ्यूजन, एंड वी आर
Mhm.
कंफ्यूजन इज गुड, बट यू हैव टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट कंक्लूजन. And one more thing I would like to add in that, ki that is one thing, that we can work without money for the passion, but that does not mean that the whole life you should you are planning to live without money. But yes, you have to develop your expertise to that level that people are ready to pay you any amount of money. So for that you have to develop your qualities in that manner. And if you are passionate about that particular passion or that area, then you can develop your skill to that level. And you should be different from other people. You should not be like other. You have not to participate in the competition, but you should be out of competition. You should be different from others.
That's really great. And here again, little bit deeper, same question related in maybe a different angle. I'm asking to get clarity. You said means you are confused what to do, and so later on you got little clarity. Now you are just so. Question to you is here: anybody is facing these kind of challenge? What they should be doing to get the clarity related to whichever they would like to pursue or start?
To get a clarity, one should introspect, and one should summarize all the life, and should find the area that how what happened to those area in the life during that people. And if someone themselves is not able to find the passion, that they should reach the mentor like you. Means you are also helping new graduates of especially IT professionals, and you are helping them to get the clarity, and you are also helping them to show the path, that how to proceed on that path. So in that way they should get the clarity on themselves, and for clarity they have to introspect a lot. They should go deep into the story of their life, and they should find that what is the goal of their life. Means bigger goal, not कि मुझे जॉब करना है, मुझे इतने रुपए कमाने हैं, मुझे ये पोजीशन पे जाना है. That is not the goal. One should find the calling of their life, and based on that they should do the back calculation कि यदि मेरी ये कॉलिंग है तो मुझे क्या करना है. फिर उससे हाउ वन विल फाइंड दी हैप्पीनेस, एंड मीन्स बैक कैलकुलेशन करके फाइंड आउट करो तो वन कैन फाइंड. एंड
Yeah,
इफ स्टिल वन इज
got it.
नॉट एबल, तो वन शुड गो टू मेंटर.
That is really thanks for just giving little bit insight what exactly it means out of if you are having four, five, six option, which one is best. Try to just choose one you are enjoying. If still you are confused, you find a person, a mentor who have already done that, and
Yeah,
he will be in position to guide and save a lot of your time. Okay, that is the conclusion. Now moving to the next part, Dr. Rupali, you are TEDx speaker, then author, and then the founder also. So a little bit about your entrepreneur journey, that you are founder, right? So what exactly, what kind of service or these things you are helping to the people or society?
yeah. Means my entrepreneur journey was started before 3 years, and currently, as my passion is to help pharmaceutical industries. So with my companies, I helping the companies to means in pharmaceutical industries. If one want to sell the product in US, so they will have to qualify the regulatory inspection of US, that is US FDA. We want to sell the product in MH, means UK. So one company has to qualify the regulatory inspection of MHRA. So I help companies to qualify those regulatory inspections. I impart the training also. I'm also an auditor. So as an auditor, I perform the gap assessment, that what is the gap between their goal and target or standard which they want to reach. And I found the gap assessment, perform the gap assessment, and guide them that how to fill those gaps. And the specialty of my company is that we work on the mindset of the people, to thought process of the people, because there are many mistakes people are doing, that we provide the training, but the trainings are not effective until we work on the thought process of the people. Because if the person is thinking in the wrong direction, so he or she will be taking all the decisions in the wrong direction. So even after providing so many trainings, those trainings are not going to be effective. So I work on the mindset of the people and impart the training also, perform the auditing also, and help them to qualify the regulatory inspections, and they can do the business. And their business, it is very helpful for growing their business also, because they new business opportunities in other markets are increased, and they can grow financially and exponentially.
So how if somebody is looking on that domains help from you, so which all are the way they can reach you through social
Yeah,
media or any other? Yeah.
yeah. I have my website www.drrupaliparanspe.com and www.blueoceancompliance.in. So my email ID and contact details are there on my website also, and you can reach me through social media platforms also, means LinkedIn, YouTube, and
No.
Facebook. And they can write me mail, and mobile number is also there in the
Okay,
website.
that's great. Yeah, so you are available in the net. They will search with your name. Name is already displayed here, so they will be just reaching you with different medium. Now we are moving to the next step, and you said that few minutes back that mentor can help you to choose as per your own means choice or whatever. So the question to you, what exactly the importance of mentor in Dr. Rupali's life, career as a whole, the long journey?
Yeah, means before means from my childhood, I was means mentor comes in different forms of life. Means whenever your parents guide you, they are also your mentor. When in the school, your teachers guide you, they are also, means they are also guiding you. And similarly, I till means I was in job, so I was growing. Means I was not having the clarity, and I was myself was thinking that I should opt this career, and I should do these courses also. I was myself was going on the path, and after that, before 3 years, I Means I met, I have seen Dev Gadvi sir. So he came in my life, and I got the clarity, and it helped me to for my developing my mindset and clarity. So
Okay.
in that way, I got the guidance.
So, what Dr. Rupali would like to give advice about mentor, whoever is watching you right now?
Will you please repeat the question? So
Yeah.
I was.
So, yeah. So, what advice Dr. Rupali will give to the audience who are watching you right now? Importance of mentor.
Yeah, actually, life is, everyone has only 24 hours in his or her life,
Mhm.
and life is also limited. We don't know how many years we are going to live, and we don't have a lot of time to do all the mistakes
Mhm.
in this life and learn and then implement. So the importance of mentor is that because he or she himself has solved the problem, and they are guiding you that how to solve those problems, so those time are saved. Means, even means, if you are spending 10 years for learning those things, so your 10 years have gone, 10 साल चले गए, 10 साल वापस कभी नहीं आएंगे. So mentor help you to shorten the distance between you and your success. But it
Wow.
is, uh, but it is to be thought properly. Means ये जरूरी है कि you should choose the right person. Means
Yeah.
यदि कोई भी आपकी लाइफ में आता है और बताता है और आप करने लगते हो, तो that is not the right thing. You should very carefully choose your mentor or the person to whom you are going to listen,
Got it.
whom you are going to follow.
Yeah. So ultimately, whatever discussion we got for last 5 minutes about mentor, the message what I can just recollect or just connecting all the dot, mentor will make your life comparatively very easy. It will give your success maybe 10x speed, and that's what the main thing. The advice, if you will get mentor, just before getting into it, just validate, and if you found and if it is matches, just go for it, and you will be getting your success very fast. Okay. Now, coming to the last part, because yeah, we are about to finish our 30 minutes. So just what advice you'd like to give, or before advice, which one is your one or two favorite books, personal development book, which change your thought process, your life, and you'd like to advise to the audience or share with the audience?
Um,
One or
there
two
are
books.
books, yeah, one or two books. You can read 10x by Grant Cardone, because that will inspire you to take more and more actions. So that is one book, and another book is that How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie.
Mhm.
That and there are many books, but uh,
This two is your
but
favorite.
yeah,
Okay.
means
So
there are many, but now I remembered these two books.
yeah,
So
so this is
yeah,
impacted more towards your life career. That's what you are remember. You remember this. Okay. So 10x rule and the how to win friends and influence people. This two book is your favorite, and you'd like to just advise to the audience. They can go through it, and it will give definitely 10x means it's a speed, and how to interact with people. So it's a network, and your network is your net worth. So that's it
yeah,
pretty much for now. And thanks for your time, Dr. Rupali, and whatever small point we discussed, definitely it is going to help the graduates who are under little bit confusion. What should I do? I want to go for all, but which one is to choose? What process they follow? And as a whole, If you want, you need one mentor who can guide to give or to get you up to speed. So that's it for today. And once again, we will be coming soon with another special guest. Purpose is to give you all guidance about your career. So thank you, Dr. Rupali.
Thank you.